Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Measure ingredients precisely. Use 500 grams all-purpose flour, 60 grams sugar, 12 grams salt. Add 10 grams instant yeast and 300 milliliters cold water, then mix briefly until shaggy. Avoid overworking the gluten. Fold in 250 grams unsalted butter as a single block, pressing it into the dough to encase evenly. Rest the dough in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to firm the butter. This simple ingredient list creates a versatile laminated dough base for easy croissants with consistent layers and reliable flavor. Chill dough for 30 minutes before rolling to ensure the butter and gluten relax. On a lightly floured surface, roll to a 20 by 30 centimeter rectangle, keeping edges straight and thickness even. Place a flattened 250 gram butter block on 2/3 of the rectangle, fold the uncovered third over, then the remaining third. Seal the edges. Perform 3 single folds with 30-minute chills between each fold to maintain butter layers and prevent melting. This creates tens of flaky lamination layers. Roll the chilled laminated dough to 4 millimeters thickness and cut triangles. Cut triangles 10 centimeters wide at base for standard croissants. Stretch each triangle gently, then roll from base to tip, tucking the tip under to hold the crescent shape. Place shaped croissants on a lined tray and proof at 24 degrees C for 60-90 minutes until puffy but not overproofed. Brush with egg wash and bake at 200 degrees C for 15-18 minutes until deep golden and crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.